Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present what some may call an appetizer, but I like as a meal all on its own. Low-carb crab stuffed mushrooms with a savory lemon butter garlic sauce. A very easy recipe to make and has less than 4 carbs per serving. Let's get started. We'll begin by pouring 8 ounces of crab meat into a medium mixing bowl. Add 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, a 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese, some fresh chopped chives, minced garlic, some salt, black pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, and just a bit of cayenne pepper. Give that a good mix to incorporate thoroughly. Cover with some plastic wrap and store in the refrigerator while we prep the mushrooms. I'll be using baby bella or cremini mushrooms for this recipe. We'll need about 16 ounces. Prep the mushrooms by removing and discarding the stems. With a small spoon, gently remove the gills and make the cavity just a bit larger. Don't run the mushrooms under water or soak them to clean. They're like sponges and they'll soak up a lot of moisture. Instead, just use a damp towel and wipe them clean. Remove the crab meat from the refrigerator and stir to loosen. You can substitute a 9 by 13 inch baking dish here, but I wanted an excuse to use my new individual baking dishes I received for Christmas. Fill each mushroom cap with about a teaspoon of the crab meat mixture. This next step adds a nice texture to the recipe. After filling the mushrooms, gently press the top to some ground pork rinds. Continue until all the mushrooms are filled. Place the baking dishes on a cookie sheet and place in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. While our mushrooms bake, we'll work on our sauce. To a sauce pot on medium-high heat, add 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter and about 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add some fresh chopped chives and the juice of 1 lemon. When the butter is melted, reduce the heat to medium-low and let stew. After the mushrooms have baked for 15 minutes, remove them from the oven. Now equally distribute the butter sauce over the tops of each and place back in the oven for 5 additional minutes. Remove and add some dry parsley to the tops. Plate and serve. The aroma of this dish will call your guests before you do. Very soft and creamy, and the pork rinds add just the right amount of texture. Delicious. There you have it, folks. My low-carb crab stuffed mushrooms with a savory lemon butter garlic sauce. A great start to a low-carb new year. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.